Hi, so today I thought I would come on here with a little bit of ukulele play along, and we're going to go way back to like the beginning when we first started learning how to play chords on the ukulele, just in case we haven't been playing for a while. So today I'm using my tenor ukulele. It's a little bit bigger. I kind of like the sound of it. I don't have any dots on there, but I'm going to reference the dots that should be on your instrument if you have me put them on there. Otherwise, you know how to play a G chord and a C chord. Okay, so remember a long time ago when we started playing ukulele, we played that song where your only part was to go yellow, 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 red. Okay, try it with me if you have your instrument in front of you. If not, just say it out loud. Yellow, 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 red. Okay, so we're going to sing the song, or I'm going to sing the song now. If you know the words and you want to sing along, great. And all you have to play is, for the first verse, I'm only going to play your part the way I just showed you. And then the second verse on, I'm going to do my part, and then you can add your part. All right, so here we go. This is Come Back, Liza. Remember, this is an old Harry Belafonte song. Okay, here we go. Every time I'm away from Liza, water come a me I. Every time I'm away from Liza, water come a me I. Come back, Liza, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me eye. Come back, Liza, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me eye. All right, now I'm going to continue on. I'm going to play my part too. Okay, so here we go. You just continue doing the same thing. By the way, all I'm doing on my part is adding a fancy strumming pattern and playing a C chord. You'll see it as I play because you can see it nice and close up now. Here we go. I remember when love was new, water come a me I. There was one, but now there's two, water come a me I. Come back, Liza, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me eye. Come back, Liza, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me eye. When the evening starts to fall, water come a me I need to hear my Liza's call, water come a me I. Come back, Liza, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me I. Come back, Liza, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me I. Standing there in the marketplace, water come a me I. Soon I'll feel her warm embrace, water come a me I. Come back, Liza, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me I. Come back, Liza, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me I. In the shadow I stand a while, water come a me I. Soon I see my Liza smile, water come a me I. Come back, Liza, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me I. Come back, Liza, come back, girl, wipe the tear from me I. You can repeat for more practice. I hope you have fun with this one.